In this session, we will explore how relationships can be established between various dimensions in a part. A relation is an algebraic formula that allows a dimension to be automatically calculated based on other dimensions within the part. We'll illustrate how to define relations by setting up two rather simple ones, which will ensure that the whole always remains centered along both the length and the height of the block. We'll start by double-clicking on the whole, which displays its location dimensions. Now we'll select the pull-down menu, Tools, and then Relations. Notice that the dimensions have changed to their symbolic form and the Relations window has opened. The icon, which is currently under the cursor, can be used to switch dimensions back and forth between symbolic and numeric values. Notice that the symbolic dimensions to the center of the whole are D15 and D16. In order to display the symbol dimensions of the width and height of the block, we'll now click on the front face of the protrusion. Notice that the symbolic dimension that defines the height of the block is D3, and the width of the block is defined by the dimension D2. Now that we know these symbolic dimensions, we can begin entering the relation equations. We'll start by typing in the comment line /*, followed by whole centered at half width, and then press the Enter key. The actual relation is entered on the second line with the equation D15 equals D2 divided by 2. Let's now add the second relation, which will ensure that the whole is halfway down from the top of the block. We'll first type in the comment shown here, followed by the relationship equation D16 equals D3 divided by 2. We'll now click on the Execute Verify button in the Relations window, and then click on the OK button. We'll now close the Relations window by clicking on its OK button. Let's now test our new relationships by modifying the height and width of our part. We'll first select the base feature and change the height to 40. And then we'll change the width to 60. In order to cause the changes to be implemented, we'll now click on the Regenerate icon. Notice that the block has gotten both longer and taller, while the whole has remained centered because of the relation equations that we entered.